Do you want me to throw your toys away? Is that what you want?
You know what's frustrating? I mean, really, really frustrating? Talking to your kid, asking them to do something, and they just won't listen. Why won't my kid listen to me? Nothing is more frustrating than when a kid won't listen.
Hey buddy, time to clean up. Come on, let's get that cleaned up. Timmy, I've already told you twice. It's time to clean up. Tim, this is the last time I'm gonna tell you. Timothy Edwards, are you listening to me? If I have to clean that up, I'm not gonna be happy. Do you want me to throw your toys away? Is that what you want? Get that stuff cleaned up now, or I'm getting your mother.
Today, I'm gonna share 3 reasons why your child might not be listening and what you can do to fix it. Your child might have unmet needs. For example, they might be thirsty, they might be hungry, maybe they're tired, maybe they're lonely, maybe they're sad. When kids have unmet needs, they're less likely to wanna listen because they're thinking about those needs that aren't being met. Here's something that you can try. Think about whether or not your child might have unmet needs. When's the last time they've eaten? How much sleep have they gotten recently? Your child might be preoccupied with something else and they actually don't hear you. One thing you can do is practicing getting your child's attention. And you can do this in a few ways. As teachers, one of the things we like to do is come up with a quick chant. For example, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Another thing that you can try is position yourself near the child. Maybe a slight touch on the shoulder. Oftentimes that's enough to get your child's attention. Another reason why your child might not be listening to you is what you're saying just isn't important to them. Let me give you an example. Parents always want their kids to hurry up in the morning. You have to be at school in 20 minutes or we're gonna be late. For young children, the concept of time doesn't mean a whole lot and they might not understand the importance of it. Why do I need to be at school in 20 minutes? Why is this important? Here's a solution you can try. Make the problem involve them. Hey bud, if we don't leave now, Dad's gonna be late to work. If I'm late to work, I'm gonna have to stay at work longer, which means I won't be able to come home and play football with you because it's gonna be dark outside, okay? This puts things in a completely different context for your child. All of a sudden, time means something to them. The next time you think your kid is choosing to not listen to you, reframe your thinking and change your approach. I promise you, this will save you a lot of frustration.